Prince Harry confirmed this week he will not be travelling to the UK to reunite with the royal family to pay tribute to Prince Philip 1 year after his death. The Duke of Sussex is said to remain concerned about security arrangements amid an ongoing dispute with the Home Office over the protection his family with Meghan Markle would receive. The Duke, however, said he will be attending the opening of the Invictus Games in The Hague the week after the memorial service. Royal commentator Charles Ray dismissed Prince Harry's demands, noting Meghan, son Archie, and daughter Lilibet would be guaranteed the same level of protection at the event. Speaking to GB News, Mr. Ray said, "The surprise would be if he'd actually decided to come. I think it's a huge snub to the Queen, especially as HES decided not to come for the March 29 service at Westminster Abbey. But HES going to the Invictus Games in The Hague a week or so later. H has become a spoiled brat, HES just thrown his toys out of the pram." He continued, "H is in dispute with the Home Office at the moment over the protection because he wants royal protection, even though he said HES going to pay for it. He just cannot hire British bobbies with guns at any time. And the point of him being here for his grandfather's event is that he would be covered by royal protection because all the royals will be covered by royal protection. So him saying he can't bring his wife and children is rubbish. He has been using it as an excuse. H is now saying he eventually will come and see the Queen." The commentator added, "I think the Queen will be devastated HES not going to be here. I think Prince Philip would give him a clip round the ear if he was still alive. And I think his mother would really be disappointed in his attitude. H is living in California, one of the most dangerous states in America. Compared to what happens in this country, HES got nothing to worry about."